Hello guys, my name is Samuel Kwenes. I'm the founder of Irida Digitals and Irida House. Irida Digitals is all about web designing. Okay, we design website. Okay, if you need a professional website, reach out to us and we will design an amazing, stunning, mobile friendly website for you. And also, if you need a high-speed web hosting at very affordable price, you can also reach out to us. And let me take you to our web hosting platform, that is iridahost.com is below this video. So the link is below this video. In this iridahost.com, we have the cheapest web hosting. Let me take you to share hosting. Now with the share hosting, we have these packages, and this is monthly subscription, okay, but you can select yearly. With this one, you just pay 100 Ghana cedis, and this one is just 150 Ghana cedis. And this one yearly, I'm talking about the yearly packages. This one is 200 Ghana cedis, and this one is 2.5 Ghana cedis. Okay, this one is 400 Ghana cedis. This one is, I think, 2.5 for 300. So you can go with the yearly one or monthly one. Okay, so let me take you back, and our domain too is very cheap. If you want to reach out to us, you can contact us through the social media link icons below here. Okay, good. Now let me close that. As I said, my name is Samuel Kwenes. This is our official website, that is irida.com. okay, irida.com. So this is my picture. Now let's move on. Now this is part 13 of how to create social media website, something like Facebook. Okay, so this is a sample site that we are trying to create a similar one, or let's say the same one. Okay, and this is my official platform, that is e-learning platform at the same time. So you can come here and join the family. We have a lot of members here. Okay, so let's see, a lot of people are here who are learning for free. Okay, we have groups, courses. You can go to your course dashboard to learn more, just to look at things, the courses that you have enrolled, and so on and so forth. Okay, we have shop page where you can download premium template plugins for free. Okay, good. Now let's go to the home page. So we are on this, we are designing this type of website, and it's a social media website. Okay, good. And this is part 13, as I said, and we are going to continue with the tutorials. So this is the platform that we are working on, that is iridablog.com. So first, let me log in. If this is your first time, then I would advise you to go back and watch the previous video so that you'll be able to follow along. Okay, good. So right now, this is where we have reached so far. As you can see, we have these menus. Now we are yet to add the shop page, the course, and also and the point system. As we have in this one, we have a point system. You can buy a point from here, or you can also earn point by posting and others. Okay, we have a leaderboard here. So that's what we are trying to do here. Okay, so right now today, what we are going to do, let me show you something. Now when you come to this platform, there's something that I want to draw your attention. Okay, when you look at this one, we have news feed here. Okay, but let me take you to the sample site and go to the top. We are at the news feed, but we don't have nothing like news feed here. Okay, so the same thing applies to Facebook. Let me show you Facebook. Let's go to Facebook, facebook.com. okay, now the facebook.com, that is Facebook. We are at newsfeed right now. Let me click here on the logo, and I'm at newsfeed right now, but yet there is nothing here to show that I'm at newsfeed page. Okay, when I take you to the pages or groups, okay, over there too they have removed it. Okay, yeah, we don't have groups here, but I'm going to show you how you can also do the same here. Okay, so let me remove that and close this. So I'm going to show you how to remove the news feed from here. So to do that, let's come back to our platform. This is the website that we are trying to design one, and that is the one we are working on. Okay, so we want to get rid of this news feed. So how can we do that? Let me take you to where you are learning the video. In this platform, the same, that is course. Go to the courses, then select the course, this course that you are learning. If you are watching it on YouTube, I would advise you to check below this video. Okay, check below this video. There's a link where you can download the code. Okay, you need the code to remove that. Okay, so let me take you to there. Okay, now over here. Okay, so let me take you down here. Okay, so let's see. Let me take you down here. I think I cannot log in here because I'm just okay. There's no way I can log in here. So let me use my administrator this thing to do that. So I'm here. So before you'll be able to access it, but because the video is not ready right now, I'm talking about the video 13. That's what I'm working on it right now. So when you go to the 13, and over here, this is where you see the video. Okay, under overview, you see the video here because I've not added the video yet. But when you go to this tab, that is exercise file, you see this file. Okay, just click on it to download it. Okay, so let me locate it so it will be saved at downloads. So click that to save it. Please subscribe to this channel, like, comment. You can even share so that others can also benefit from this course. Okay, so now I have done that, so I have to minimize this. So let me go back. Okay, so we are going to remove this. Now let me go to my computer, go to downloads and open this. Okay, so I have this code. Just copy this code, copy that. Okay, now I can now close it. Okay, so after that, go back to customize. After that, go down here where we have additional CSS. Okay, so go down there, click there. Let me close this and paste the CSS here. Okay, good. Now we are not done. You see it is still there. I'm going to show you how to get rid of it. First, let me open this page in the new tab. Okay, good. Oh, come on. Okay, so let me open it in a new tab. First, let me save this. And now let's go back to the dashboard again. Okay, good. So we are here. Okay, so we are going to do something. Now in WordPress, each page has its unique ID. That's the page ID. You see the code that I pasted here, it has the page ID and that is 9. So we have to copy this page ID and replace it with this before we can get rid of this. So to do that, put a mouse here, right click it and go to inspect. Yes, and over here we are going to search for the page ID. So let me drag this one up. Good. Now as you can see here, the page ID is 12. This is the page ID, is 12. So let's go back. Let me go back here and change this one to 12. You see, now it is gone. Okay, it doesn't mean that if mine is 12, your too will be 12. Okay, so that's why you have to do this in order to identify the page ID. I hope you can see the page ID from here, and that is, it says page ID 12. So just go there and replace the 9 with the 12, and after that you can save it. After that, come back here and refresh the page. Now the title is gone. If you want to do it for the rest of the other pages, you can do that. Okay, so for instance, if I want to remove this, I can also do that. So the same thing, I can go to customize. Let's see. Okay, I can copy the same post or the same code and come down here, leave a space and paste it here. Okay, now what can I do? Because this time, come on. Okay, so let me remove this and open it again. Okay, so this time let me go to the front end. This time I want to remove this one, that is members page title. So I will click here and go to inspect, and I will go to the top here and locate the page ID, and from here the page ID, let's see. Okay, the page ID is 13. This is the page ID, is 13. Okay, page ID is 13. So I can now go back here and 12, this 12, I will remove it and make it 13. So now you see it is gone. Can now publish it. Go back here, remove this and refresh here, and now it is gone. Okay, so if you want to remove the rest of the page title, you can do that by going by the same method. But for now, I want to remove only the news feed, so I will remove the second code and keep the first one. So that's it. So when we come here, the page title, that is the news feed, is no longer here. Okay, good. Now we are done with that. So our next video, right now, what we are going to do is we are going to add the shop page and also the course page. Okay, so the this thing that you downloaded earlier, when you go to, or if you don't have it, make sure you download. Let's go to our reference site, that is course community shop. We have okay, so when you come down here, our first video we downloaded the BuddyBoss, so you can download the tutor LMS. Okay, that's what we are going to use as for our course. Okay, good. Now let's come back here, and now let's go to dashboard, because I already have a plugin. I'm going to install it. So go to plugins. So first of all, let us install the free version of Tutor before we can install the pro version. So just enter Tutor LMS. Okay, so we are here. This is the one that I'm talking about. Click install. Okay, so let's leave it. Let's go to upload. Click upload. Okay, so first let's locate the plugin you just downloaded. Okay, I'm talking about the Tutor LMS. So mine, I have it on the desktop, so I'm going to locate it on the desktop. It's here, and that is Tutor LMS. So I will select that and open, then install. Okay, so I'm not going to activate it. There's another plugin that we have to also install in order to add the shop page, and that is WooCommerce. Okay, so I'm going to do that. So now click at add new again, and now we are here. Just enter WooCommerce. Okay, I've done that. Okay, so this one, install it. Now after that, locate a plugin called Paystack. The Paystack, if you're in Ghana, then you can go with the Paystack. Okay, if you're in Africa, Nigeria, Ghana, you can use the Paystack. But if you are watching, if you're from a different country, then I don't know, you have to find out the payment gateway that work within your country. Okay, or most of the they use Stripe. You can also use Stripe, this one. Okay, this plugin. Okay, you can use this one, but for those in Ghana and Africa, we will go by Paystack. Okay, but you need to create a Paystack account first, so you can Paystack, WooCommerce Payment Gateway, you have to install this one too. Okay, so I've done that. Now we want to add right now we have added the shop plugin and then the tutor plugin. Okay, so we are done for now. Let's come back to installed. Okay, so over here we are going to activate the plugin one after the other. Okay, but for now I will say thank you for watching. We will end here. Our next video we will look at how to install the how to activate it and do the settings for the other plugins. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.